Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account. And to do this, you can't be on the app, you have to either log into your Safari or whatever on your desktop. So I did it with the Safari on my iPhone. Then logged into Instagram.com. Then logged into my account. Now there's one way to do this, if you just want to temporarily delete your account. And after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. Then go to your profile icon at the bottom right. And then go to edit profile. Then you scroll down to the bottom. Then it says temporary disable my account. And all you do is click on that. You can go through re-login and give them a reason why, and then all you do is hit temporary disable account. It's that simple. Select reason. I select something else. Then you have to re-enter your password. Then you tap on temporarily disable account. And it's going to warn that you have 30 days from this moment to reactivate your account. And if you don't, then it's going to be permanently deleted. And you can't reactivate that account. If you're unsure, if you really want to get rid of Instagram, I would recommend just temporarily disabling it rather than completely deleting it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.